Sad and forlorn, on the street stood a poor little girl. She was watching the gay little children at play with the playthings that Santa Claus brought. With a tear in her eye, she said, I wonder why Santa Claus brought no playthings for me. Then a maiden drew near, kissed away a big tear. Don't cry, little darling, said she. Come and spend Christmas with me, dear. Come up to my house and play. I've no little sister, you see, dear, since the angels took Mary away. You may have some of my playthings, and we'll have a Christmas tree. Come take my hand and don't cry, dear. Come and spend Christmas with me.
Merry Christmas, Aunt Mary. Same to you, children, and many on 'em.
Come and spend Christmas with me, dear. Come up to my house and play. I've no little sister, you see, dear, since the angels took Mary away. You may have some of my playthings, and we'll have a Christmas tree. Come take my hand and